Let's understand preferences. In the General section, regional settings are there to change active currency, number format, and area measurement. In Cash Flow Duration option, we can select cash flow periodicity, monthly, quarterly, or yearly, and cash flow start and end period. Under the display options, you can choose to hide or show selected input sheets, as well as toggle the visibility of row and column numbers. Further, there is option for adding a logo and notes. You can also protect input cells for selected items, locking them at their current values. In the Calculation section, choose whether to use a nominal or effective discount rate. Select which items to include or exclude for IRR and NPV calculations. Decide how the development margin will be calculated. In the Financial Reporting section, decide whether to include the financial sheet. Choose how revenue will be recognized, either on a percentage of completion basis or upon the completion of the construction. Specify whether the total cost should include land costs or only construction costs. In the Cost Treatment option, select how costs will be handled, either as expensed or as WIP. In the Financing section, determine the financing level by selecting how many loans and equity options to include in the input sheet. Choose the profit share payment method, either to be paid as and when available or at the end of the project. In the Escrow section, decide whether to include an escrow option. Specify the escrow retention percentage. Define the hold period, post-completion of construction.